Hello, boys and girls. Let's do some math. So, first step, as always, grab your thinking caps and let's put those on. There we go. Now we are ready to practice some more math and continue on this path of learning. So, what we're going to do today is talk about different ways to write a number. Different ways to write a number. Did you know that there's more than one way to write the same number? What? Yeah, Ganga, did you know that? No way. I can't wait to see how this is done. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. We've actually been practicing a little bit of it all year long. What? Yeah. Okay. Ganga's all kinds of surprised today. So we've been practicing it right here on our yellow pocket chart. Yeah, we've been talking about tens and ones, and we just made 100 recently, right? That's ways to write numbers, and I'm going to show you all. All right, I can't wait for this. I'm going to go find a seat. All right, Ganga, he is excited. We're going to take a look. Take a number, say 13. Think of 13 in your head. Think of 13 in your head. Right here, right? Number 13. A 1 and a 3. The 1 is in the tens column. The 3 is in the ones column. So it's 1, 10, and 3 ones. Take a look at this. Right here, we have a tens frame. Look at this. And this tens frame is full, right? So we know that there's 10 right here, and then 3 ones on the outside. 1 10, 3 ones. And we can write 13 just like that. Let me grab my marker. Here's our tens and ones. How many tens do you see here? 1. How many ones do you see? 3. So there's one way of writing 13. You can write it 110, 3 ones. You can also write it like this, a number sentence. What do we have here? 10, right? 10 plus 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3. Lastly, how do we normally write 13? 1 and a 3. Look at this, 3 different ways to write 13. 110, 3 ones. 10 plus 3, or just 13. So 3 different ways to do it. And we can do it with other numbers as well. If I grab a marker, okay, I'm going to do another example the same way. So this isn't going to be 13. We'll figure out what number we're talking about together right here. But you see how that works? It's the same number, right? It's the same number. It's just written in different ways that look different. Okay, here we go. Now what do we have? How many tens do I have? Well, there's only one tens frame full, right? So it's still 110. And now how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So 110, 5 ones. 110, 5 ones. What is 110, 5 ones? What number is that? Oh, let's see. Well, I can write it out like this. I can show 110 that way, right? That's 10. It's just 1, right? 110 and 5 ones. So 10 plus 5. You know the number yet? 15. So 15 we can write like this. 15, we can also write it 10 plus 5. Or you could have 110 and 5 ones. Here's how it looks as a tens frame. Another way, maybe if I could show you with the cubes. There we go. Here's 110 and 5 ones. That is 15. That is also 15, okay? So we're going to practice writing numbers in different ways today. We're going to do that in our workbook, our Chapter 6 workbook. There it is, on page 250. 250. And just like I did on the whiteboard, you're going to do it here. So you're going to see how many 10s you have and how many 1s. The 1s are on the outside, right? 10s are on the inside. It's filling up the 10s frame, right? Now, this is 110. There's our 1. And how many 1s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1s. Then write it as a number sentence and as just the number itself. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 down here, you're going to draw cubes to show the number. Right, and then you're going to fill these out. So you're going to show 18. How can you show 18 right here? All right, you're going to do that for us. And also, we're going to turn the page to 252. 252. Draw cubes to show the number. Write the number 3 different ways. So this is like a word problem that you're going to put together. David has 1 10 and 13 1s. Abby has 6 1s. They put all their 10s and 1s together. What number did they make? And then you're going to write it out in 10s and 1s. You're going to write the number sentence and the number. And if you'd like, this is a challenging one. You can take this one on. Karen has 7 1s. Jimmy has 9 1s. They put all their 1s together. What number did they make? There you go. Now, I want to tell you guys before we go, there are some pages in our workbook that we don't do, right? So the last time we did page 246 and 247, right? But if you turn the page, there's some more practice here on page 248, right? If you ever feel like doing a little bit more math and you look through our workbooks and there's pages that we haven't done, you can practice on those, all right? You can practice doing those ones, right? No big deal. In fact, I think that'd be great for you to do that. You can also go to Starfall and practice there. You can practice writing your numbers all the time or do your 1-minute math whenever you want, right? Just because it's not assigned doesn't mean you can't do it, all right? Boys and girls, have some fun with this math. You're going to do great, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.